Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Snowman Snowflake. You will need scissors, a pencil, a piece of white paper. We first need to turn this rectangular piece of paper into a square. To do that, I'm going to take the right edge and I'm going to fold it down to the bottom edge. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it to this spot here, diagonally. Line it up, crease it, and then I'm going to cut this rectangle off. You won't need this piece. When you unfold the triangle, you should have a square. Fold your paper in half once, corner to corner. Fold it in half again, corner to corner. Fold it in half one more time, corner to corner. So I'm going to unfold my triangle, then I'm going to fold this edge to the folded line in the center. So I'm going to fold this in half. I'm going to take it and bring it up here. So this I'll bring up here. Crease it. Then this part is going to come on this side. I'm just going to flip it over just like that. So you have this kind of design. Turn it over. Then I'm going to cut from this corner a horizontal line straight across. Now I'm going to unfold this triangle here once. I'm going to unfold this once, and then I'm going to fold this edge over to the side on the left, like that. So after I cut off the top, you have this folded part here. You're going to unfold that twice, once, twice, and then this edge is going to come over here like that. So we have a triangle. Now we're ready to draw our snowman. You will need your pencil for this part. I'm going to draw in colored pencil so you can see it better on the camera. So place the folded paper in front of you so it looks like the triangle is pointing at you. All right. And then at the top, place your finger and right in the center, and we're going to make a line on each side, a 1 on each side, like an 11. Then below that, I'm going to make 2 parallel horizontal lines. Looks like an equal sign. And then close the shape with a 1 on both sides. That's going to be the hat. Turn your triangle so it's pointing to the left. Put your pencil here on the bottom of the hat. And we're going to make a letter C, curved line like this. That's going to be the head of our snowman. Putting your pencil on the letter C, we're going to make a larger letter C for the snowman's body. As best as you can fit it in that triangle. Now turn the triangle back to this original position. We're going to draw the snowman's arms. So I'm going to make 2 lines on each side like this, going all the way to the edge. If you don't draw it all the way to the edge, they won't be holding hands. You have to go all the way to the edge. 2 lines for each. Don't draw the hands or the fingers. And then for the snowman's feet, 2 lines at the bottom, for each leg. Now it's time to cut. So keeping the paper folded, carefully cut. Along the lines, you're gonna cut this part out, this part out, this part out, this part, and this part. Now I'm going to unfold my paper and see if I have 8 snowmen in a circle holding hands. It worked. Now you can leave it white like this, or you could go and add faces and details on each of the snowmen and snowwomen. I have another video that's going to show you how to decorate all of the snowmen. I hope you enjoyed making the Snowman Snowflake with me today. See you next time.